Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about the do's in writing research title. So here are some tips on how to write your research title. First, be clear and specific. The title should accurately reflect the main topic and focus of your research. This means you should know your interest for you to easily know and focus on your topic. Next, keep it concise. Aim for a title that is brief and to the point, avoiding unnecessary words. This is really important for your reader, so by the title they can easily understand your research. Also, use keywords. Include important keywords that will help readers understand the subject matter and improve the discoverability of your paper. Like what I said, it helps your readers to understand your title. Next, be accurate and descriptive. The title should accurately reflect the content and scope of your research. It needs to be accurate to allow the reader to identify the content of the work easily. It serves as an invitation and initial gateway to reading the content of a publication. Next, consider the audience. Tailor the title to the intended audience, using language appropriate for both academic and general readers. When crafting a research title, it's essential to consider your target. For the last one, check your requirements. Have specific guidelines for title length and format. Research paper titles should be concise, informative, and within a specific word count, generally 10 to 12 words or less. They should clearly convey the research topic, scope, and key findings without being overly wordy or using unnecessary jargon. That's all. I hope that you gain knowledge and helps you on doing your research title. Thank you, everyone.